Hi guys, I finally made to my meeting and finally I am at Karura forest, if you can see. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to this video. I'm so excited to create this. For those who are new, my name is Damaris Jenga, and for those who are continuous visitors, thank you so much for watching and thank you for your support. So today it's on a weekend. Right now it's around 8. I want to head out. I have some great plans for today, so I thought, a vlog, that would be perfect plan. So yeah, I'm going for a training somewhere in relation to media, in relation to videography and all such kind of things. Then after that, I'm going to be heading out with my girls, not my girls like, but with girls or ladies, to Karura Chapel, where we're going to be hiking. And I look forward to today. I look forward to having fun. I look forward to a lot of laughter. I look forward to a lot of eating. And yeah, it's going to be a good weekend, a good plan, and a good everything put together. Yes, anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much to everyone who participated for the giveaway. Thank you so much for your comments. I'm so grateful. I will keep doing what I love. Yes, and I see you as you go. Let me go. I don't want to get late. Oh, this is weird. I have arrived to the place where the training was to happen, but I'm here. I have been standing here for like 20 minutes. I have tried to look around to see where you have met. I can see anybody. I'm not standing outside these offices because that's where I'm told I should consult. But then there is still nobody to ask. There is nobody in the office. I don't know if you can see, but there is nobody in the office. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, but let me hope I succeed to the meeting. Yeah, again, I noticed I said Karura Chapel when I was doing my intro, but it's Karura Forest. That's where I'm going next after this place. Hi guys, I finally made to my meeting and finally I am at Karura Forest, if you can see. Anyway, I'm joking. Change of plans. They failed me big times. My friends failed me big times, so I have opted to come for a swim with my friends and we're going to have some good time. I hope to enjoy it. Yeah, though I feel a bit wasted because I had two plans today that were other substitute. I had a swimming competition to go to, and I had a mentorship program that I would have attended, but I prioritized this ladies meeting at Karura Forest because I didn't want to fail them, only for them to fail. Akisa zingine people, but it's okay. I take the apologies. Thank God you apologize. So let me go change and then I'll see you in the remaining of the day. It's a speedo. Let's do this. guys, today is a new day. I'm just heading to church. It's walking distance to church, so yeah, so I'm a bit early and today I'm popping, just that my eye is failing me. Like, see, my eye is so red. See, I hate it when it's that red, but anyway, yeah, so that's it. Let me head to church, but we'll catch up in the day. So today is those days that one feels to be so very active. Yeah, like it's around 7 and I'm heading to church, and I'll be there until the end of all services, because today I'm on duty and I'm serving, and I enjoy doing the Lord's work and being his servant. So I hope to have a good day and a very blessed day. See you. Don't relate. Hey, I'm finally back home. I've had a good day. It has been awesome. Church was interesting. Yes, so I'm just chilling at home, taking some snacks, then maybe watch a movie or edit this video or sleep, take a nap, I don't know, or chat, anything. Yes, so that is it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed and you have seen one or two good things about the video. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Lots of love. Hi guys, it's another morning. Oops, not even wiped my spectacles, but anyway, I'll do that. So I'm going to church, and today is those days someone is very engaged, like I'll be in church the whole day. And yeah, because it's good to be on duty, it's good to be at service. Yeah, so it's around 7 and that's where I'm heading.